Nipugataruk Suba Realization Day Thouram All Manipur Students Union Amsu na Sinduna Yasikul Police Land LEIBA Manipur Dramatic Union ki hold PANGTHOKKHRE Palan Thouram aduda renowned demographer, legal experts, resources person amadi subject experts singna accords and agreements on identification, detection and deportation of foreigners between Amsu and Government of Manipur, Government of India on 22nd July and 5th August 1980 and 9 November 1994 at GP Women's College, Imphal on 28 March 2026 Amadi Census 2027 delimitation and need for National Register of Citizens in the context of massive influx of immigrants in Manipur at Manipur Press Club, Mezorkul, Imphal on 15 April 2026 Haribat topic Aniyasigi Matangda Kananainaki Amadi Wangangki Thouram aduda Yenkokpam Priyokumar, former President, the All Manipur Students Union, S. Budi, former President, the All Manipur Students Union, Dr. Y. Premananda, former Secretary General, the All Manipur Students Union, Thokchom Ongbi Ramani, President Nupi Samaj, Fulia Singlal, Core Committee on Relief and Rehabilitation, former Joint Secretary, the All Manipur Students Union, Huidrom Badan Kumar, former President, the All Manipur Students Union, K.C. Hemabati, former Presidential Committee, the All Manipur Students Union, T. Vaigachandra Samufaba, former President, the All Manipur Students Union, Y.K. Dhiren, Convener, Co-Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi Lukram Malangba, President, the All Manipur Students na Atoiba Mitung Lensik Oina Sarugyaki.